Hi guys, it's Tech Jake here. Today we're diving into something a little different from the usual smartphones and gadgets. This time, we're talking about kitchen tech, specifically the F3430-24-1RB Gas 48-inch range with Griddle and Char Broiler. And trust me, this isn't just any ordinary range. If you're someone who loves cooking at home or running a small restaurant, this piece of equipment is designed to bring pro-level performance right to your kitchen. Right off the bat, the first thing you notice is the build quality. The F3430-24-1RB feels sturdy, like it's built to last. We're talking industrial-grade stainless steel construction, which not only looks sleek but also handles the heat and heavy-duty usage. There's a certain satisfaction in using a tool that feels serious, like it belongs in a professional setup rather than a typical home kitchen. Moving on to the 48-inch layout, this range gives you a ton of flexibility. You've got multiple burners, each with precise flame control. That means whether you're simmering delicate sauces or searing steaks, you get consistent heat exactly where you need it. Precision control is key when you're cooking at a higher level, and this range delivers. Now, let's talk about the Griddle and Char Broiler combination. This is where things get interesting. The integrated griddle is perfect for pancakes, bacon, or even quick stir-fry dishes. The surface heats evenly, which is critical for maintaining consistent cooking results. No hot spots, no cold zones, everything cooks just the way you expect. Then you've got the Char Broiler, which is excellent for giving meats that authentic grill flavor indoors. It's especially handy if you want the charred finish on steaks, burgers, or vegetables without stepping outside. The dual functionality makes this range really versatile. Cleaning and maintenance are surprisingly straightforward. The stainless steel surfaces wipe down easily, and the griddle is designed to be removed for deeper cleaning. For busy kitchens, this is a huge plus because nobody wants to spend hours scrubbing after a long day of cooking. You get the performance of a professional setup but with convenience built in. One of my favorite things about this range is how it handles high-volume cooking. If you're someone who entertains a lot or runs a small catering business, this range can handle multiple pans and dishes simultaneously. The burners have strong output, and the griddle surface is large enough to cook for several people at once. This is the kind of power and flexibility that makes cooking fun instead of stressful. Another aspect worth highlighting is the temperature control. Each burner and cooking zone has precise knobs, giving you granular control over your cooking. From a gentle simmer to a full-on sear, you can adjust the flame exactly the way you want it. This level of control is what separates a high-quality gas range from a basic model. You really get the feeling that this is a tool for someone who knows their way around a kitchen. Beyond functionality, the design is also modern and visually appealing. The sleek stainless steel finish pairs well with most kitchen setups, and the professional look gives your kitchen a high-end feel. It's not just about how it performs, it's about how it elevates the space. Safety is another key consideration. The F3430-24-1RB comes with built-in safety features, including flame failure protection. If a burner goes out unexpectedly, the system shuts off the gas automatically. This is a small detail, but it's a big deal when it comes to peace of mind, especially if you're juggling multiple dishes at once. Energy efficiency is also a factor here. Gas ranges are known for their responsiveness and lower energy cost compared to electric ranges, and this model is no exception. You're getting quick heat-up times, instant adjustments, and overall efficient cooking performance. If you're cooking frequently, this can make a noticeable difference in your monthly energy usage. Now, from a usability standpoint, the F3430-24-1RB is designed to feel intuitive.